Hello my crafty friends, welcome to Origami Tree. I'm Jenny and this is my towel folding series. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a swan with 2 bath towels and 2 washcloths. If you like that, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there. I post new videos all year round and I don't want you to miss them. Also be sure to check out my other projects in the towel folding series and leave a comment letting me know what you think about this and what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you soon. Bye!